morning students. This is the second part of our first video, that is evolution of computer. So now today's topic is generation of computer. Now when we talk about generation of computer, it has been many years since the computer is being developing, from a big machine to a little bit smaller, then to a little bit smaller, and then to a machine which comes to our palm only. Okay, so the history of computer is referred as the generation of computer. Every generation of computer there was major development in technology. क्या क्या डेवलपमेंट हुआ था? कंप्यूटर बड़े से और छोटे होते गए, जो टेक्नोलॉजी है वो और सस्ती होती गई, पावर कंजप्शन कम होता गया और कंप्यूटर और बेहतर होता गया. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर इज़. सो द फर्स्ट जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर. द फर्स्ट जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर starts from 1945 to 1956, and this generation of computer uses vacuum tube. Now vacuum tube is a device which is used in that generation of computer, and the example of this is Univac, IBM, ENIAC, EDVAC, etc. Now second generation computer. Second generation computer starts from 1956 to 1963, and here comes our second technology, that is transistor. In this, the transistors are embedded on the motherboard, and due to this transistor, the heat consumption, the power consumption is much less, and the heat evaluation is quite less as compared to the first generation. So the example of this is IBM 1401 and Honeywell 400, etc. Third generation. Third generation starts from 1964 to 1971, and here it uses integrated circuit, that is IC technology. Fourth generation computer. Fourth generation computer starts from 1971 to present, and this uses LSI technology, that is large scale integration, or you can say very large scale integration technology. In this we uses chips and semiconductors which is embedded on the motherboard, and due to this the size of the computer system reduced to a very you can say reduced much, and from a computer in a bigger room it comes from a computer on the desks. Now next, fifth generation. The fifth generation is the present generation, which the generation is going on. Now this uses the recent advantages like robotic systems, like the core technologies. So this is what the fifth generation is. Second generation uses transistors. In first generation of computers is introduced as 1946, as I have already told you. The second generation uses transistors in place of vacuum tubes. Then the third generation uses integrated circuits in place of transistors, and the operating systems has user interface to computing, the increased speed and efficiency. In third generation जो कंप्यूटर की स्पीड थी वो बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गई थी, जो उसकी एफिशिएंसी थी मींस एफिशिएंट जो उसकी कैलकुलेशन की जो क्षमता थी वो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव हो गई थी, और उसका साइज़ बहुत ज़्यादा रिड्यूस हो गया था. नाउ द फोर्थ जनरेशन. इन फोर्थ जनरेशन द LSI technologies were used, that is large scale integration technology were used. In this technology the computer beside doing the calculation work, it starts doing the process of thinking and talking to other people also. It consists of English like words and phrases. Some of these languages include graphic devices such as icons, on screen push buttons for different programming and when running the application. Some of the fourth generation languages were C, C++, Java, SQL, etc. Now fifth generation technology. Fifth generation technology means जिस generation में, जिस technology generation में अभी हम हैं, this is the more reliable generation. It uses a robotic technology. It works much faster, easily portable, different sizes are available, different features are available, different affordable prices are there, very extra high processing speed. The parallel processing is there. Parallel processing means एक साथ कई सारे काम कर सकता है साइड बाय साइड. एंड above all this is wireless. इसमें यहाँ पे वायर की ज़रूरत नहीं है. The wireless technology is there. The characteristics of computer, मैंने पहले भी बताया था अपने पहले वीडियो में. The characteristics of computer or the features of computer are very important. The first is automatic, that the computer need not user in every point of its work. It can work automatically. Most of its algorithm is automatic, and computer is most famous for its automatic characteristics. Speed, जो speed है उसकी, it keeps on increasing generation by generation because the efficiency is also increasing. Accuracy, as the speed is increasing, as the processing quality is increasing generation by generation, the efficiency of giving good result, the accuracy of giving good result is also increasing. Diligence, this kind of characteristics can be found in every kind of machine. A computer can work restless as a human being. After sometimes we say that, oh, हम थक गए या हम बोर हो गए, but computer will not say all these things because computer work diligently. Now versatility. Versatility means computer can do a variety of jobs. जैसे कि if we talk about a human being, some are good in painting, some are good in singing, some are good in dancing. But as computer is a machine, so it can perform variety of work, and all the work will be in a accurate, in a efficient manner. Now the power of remembering, as computer has got its own memory, so it can store data for present use also or for future use also. No IQs. Now the very important thing is that computer doesn't got its own IQ. It can't work by itself without any command by human. So for making computer to work as it is a machine, we have to first instruct it and then only it will work. No feeling. Yes, of course, computer doesn't has got any feeling. Just because of that, it can work diligently without getting bored. It can work restlessly because it could not feel anything. As a machine, it could only work. Now the advantages of computer. First, it stores huge amount of data. एक बहुत ज़्यादा amount of data वो store कर सकता है. Accuracy means accurate, perfect result, बिल्कुल सही आंसर हमें देगा. Increase your productivity, as computer can store data, as computer provides accurate results, so it increases the productivity also. Internet connection, yes, computer can share data using internet connection. It organizes the information, क्योंकि it's a machine, so it can organize the information in a proper manner. It can form the information, it can arrange the information in a proper manner. Keeps everyone connected. Yes, with the help of internet, we can keep everyone connected to that one system only. It helps to automate. If we command computer to work automatically, then it works automatically also for some time. Help physically challenged. Yes, if somebody is somebody cannot work by itself, like a human being is handicapped, but that person also can work with the help of computer by making computer to work with its command or instruction. Disadvantage. The computer, being beside having all advantages, it has got some disadvantages also. Because of computer, the crimes have increased. Now the crimes turned into a cyber crimes. Second, increased unemployment. Increased unemployment means as most of the work in industries are performed by computer only, because the price which comes in together is less, the time taken by the computer is less, the result is accurate. Now the industrial person are trying to exchange labor with computer only, so it has increased unemployment. Now uses electricity. Yes, computer is a machine, so it uses electricity. It will just because of that the electric consumption is much. Dependence. Computer is dependent because it is a machine, so it needs instruction to work. It cannot work by itself. It makes people lazy. Yes, computer makes people lazy because every task it could perform with our instruction. So it makes human beings lazy. Okay children, so this is the end of the first chapter, that is evolution of computer. Now go through both the videos, that is part 1 and part 2, and mark the exercises in your book. Thank you.